Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change username on Instagram, PC or laptop. If you are using any PC or any laptop, then you want to change your username of your Instagram account. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, just open Instagram. You just have to simply search for Instagram here. Open the first website. So if your account is already logged in, you might see at this type interface. You can click on this profile option to go to your profile. Now if you want to change your username, just click on edit profile option here and you might get the username option over here. Or if you are unable to find your username option here, just click on account center from here. You can also click on this more option, then click on settings to get this type interface also. Then click on this account center option and then profile and personal details option. If you have selected profile and personal details, you might get your profiles here. So just click on your Instagram account or Instagram profile. Now from here, just click on username and now you can easily change your username. You can edit your username once you have done. If your username is available, just click on this done option and your username will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your Instagram username. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.